Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai condos. Specifically, we're discussing renting them out and whether or not one needs a work permit to do that. And so let's go ahead and get into sort of background here. Foreign nationals can own a condo in Thailand, quote unquote, freehold. They can own it outright. This is a benefit that is notwithstanding the restrictions on Thai real estate ownership for foreign nationals, which basically foreigners are entirely prohibited legally from owning land, real estate, property here in Thailand. But the Thai Condominium Act makes an exception to this, provided one meets all of the formalities and requirements under the Act in order to confer freehold title. So starting off, yeah, it is possible for a foreigner to own a condo. Is it possible for them to rent it out without need of a work permit? I had this question the other day. Yeah, probably. This gets into kind of a gray area insofar as, we've discussed this on this channel in the past, basically exerting any energy in Thailand for remuneration or not can be construed as work and therefore requiring a work permit in Thailand. But simply gaining rents off of a piece of property, I'm not so sure that that could be construed as work. Now, if one has to pick up that property or maintain it and they actively engage in that, you're looking at a situation where you get remuneration and you're actually expending energy. I think it could be construed. There are those, perhaps reasonable people can disagree, but it could be construed as being a work permit violation, or not having a work permit could be construed as a violation of Thai labor law. Now that's stated, again, reasonable people could disagree, but, especially with the remuneration aspect, if you're actively engaged in maintenance of the property and things for your tenant, you might get into some problems with respect to work permit issues there. But long story short, yeah, it is possible for a foreigner to own a condo, and certainly there are many who rent them out, and just the act of renting, I don't think requires a work permit here in Thailand.